This AeroGarden hydroponic system is very cool. It is so easy to work with. Take a look and see how easy it is to work with this AeroGarden hydroponic system. These are grow sponges. This is the medium that the seed would sprout in. This is my second set of plantings. What I'm going to do first is remove the label from the previous pod that I'll be using. You simply place a grow sponge into a pod, put a seed into the grow sponge, place it into the AeroGarden, place a dome on top, and let the magic begin. A notification will show on the AeroGarden's LCD screen, letting you know when to add fertilizer or refill the water. Look at those healthy roots. That's just beautiful. I love this. This will be even more fun with children. I'm to move the basil and mint to pots and reseed the pots. I hope you have a chance to explore hydroponic gardening.